YouTube, Pet OV, my boy Jalen out in the Trackhawk. Yeah, y'all hear me popping, boy. Ooh! Oh shit! Hey, get your POV! Hey, tell him to get his POV in! We outside, man. Cat. Hey, Redeye, Trackhawk, Hellcat. Yeah. Yeah. And I had to get gas, man. You know, low lights on the dash, man. We take care of our V's, man. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna give y'all a POV, man, to the E-way. Or the freeway, whatever y'all call it out here. I'm gonna give y'all a POV to the freeway, and then, you know, after that, that's it. So, my boy SRT Meezy, No Limit Jalen. Hit my shit. Yeah. And I'm in Eco. My bad, gang. My boys. My boys. My boy. I was gonna say your hood open. That shit funny as hell. That shit fucking funny. Hey, motherfuckers barking, boy. You better get your POV. POV with the Redeye, Trackhawk, and that regular cat. That's a regular video. Hey, that's a separate video from your vlogs. I do like a 5-minute POV, gang. Y'all know what's going on. Follow my boy SRT Meezy, man. You know what's going on. Like, comment, and sub, gang. Ski gang, y'all know what's going on, man. Like, comment, and sub. Meezy gang, y'all know what's going on, man. Like, comment, and sub, man. Hey, y'all, this real content. We got the motherfucking track outside. Man. Hey, these POVs be doing numbers. Woo! Shit. Shit. Hey, that bitch be barking, don't it? 5-inch tips, that's all. Everything stock. Everything stock. Gang, you got to. All right, my boy. Like, comment, and subscribe, gang. Hey, man, y'all know what's going on, man. SRT Noski, man.